In today's Excel tutorial, we are diving into a powerful function that can simplify your data related calculation, and I am gonna show you and while exploring the EOMONTH function in Excel. First, let's understand what EOMONTH stands for. EOMONTH stands for each of month. It's a handy Excel functions that help you calculate the last date of a given month based on a specified start date. This function can be incredibly useful for various tasks from financial planning to project management. Now let's move into the example. I used here the few data with the date and also the month, and I want to find out the end of the month according to the value. So I will use here the EOMONTH functions. So right here with the equals and use here the EOMONTH, just write and use this one, then it's say the start date. Let me use this one, then I will use the comma, then here it say the month, so I select this month, then close it, and here we got it. This is the date, but it now in the general format. Now let's move into convert as a short data or short date, and here we got it. This is the month of the November and end of the month in the 30. Okay, so same way, if I want to apply the rest of month and with the month, I can easily drag it down and it can be give you the according to our conditions and with the EOMONTH. And here we used also the -3, and for this it also takes you back into the before the June. So it was the June, now it takes to into the March in there because we used here the -3. Okay, so let's wrap things up. The EOMONTH functions is a variable tools for working with date in Excel. By mastering these functions, you can streamline various success and save time on date related calculations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.